Hey guys, it's me again. I'm back with another brand new video for you guys only. Yeah, and in this video we are going to talk about Fayoko, right? You guys can say that today I actually brought some good news for you guys. Is it a good news? Yeah, definitely one kind of a good news for our fandom, for us. So yeah, but before saying anything, let me give you guys a context over there, alright? Do you guys remember just the other day we were talking about how Nine Star was actually kind of planning to trademark the word Feiyoko, the ship name? Yeah. I mean, it's not individual Face or Yoko's name. They were planning on Feiyoko, the ship name. I mean, if you think about it, initially they created the ship, so it makes sense somehow. And oh my, our whole fandom became way too chaotic, became a mess. Because we freaking were talking about it. If you are on the Twitter, then you may know this. We were talking about this. Loads of people are saying bunch of different things, and basically the whole fandom unitedly was bashing Nine Star. Yeah. I mean they deserve all the hatred they are getting. What can I say? They are that much shippy company. I don't blame our fandom because you guys know how much evil Nine Star is. So yeah, so as I'm saying, it was actually not a rumor. There was some truth in it. It was just not a rumor. But guess what? Our whole fandom started bashing Nine Star. Our whole fandom was sending hatred to Nine Star as always, and the boycott got much stronger than before. Now I would like to show something to you guys. Guess what? One had this on her Twitter bio, right? Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Take a look. Yeah, see it's right there. Did you guys see the Fayoko hashtag there? Yeah, it was there till now, till just few hours ago actually. Yes, the Fayoko hashtag was still there on her profile, on her Twitter bio. But guess what? After the incident the other day, that our whole fandom started bashing Nine Star, our whole fandom was calling Nine Star out, and loads of people was so freaking angry. The whole fandom got so freaking angry. Like, what do you mean you want to trademark the name, the ship name for Yoko? What do you mean? Oh my, don't get me started with this. Our whole fandom got so freaking angry over Nine Star, and guess what? Maybe one actually saw all of this reaction. Yeah, the whole reaction from our fandom. And then guess what she did? She actually changed her bio, her Twitter bio, yes. Now she removed the Fayoko hashtag from her bio. Now it's this. Here it is. Yeah, it's right there. See? Now, she actually removed the ship name Fayoko and the hashtag Fayoko from her bio, right? I mean, it's great. It's a good news. But again, now Yoko's name is there. Yeah. So we should be worried about that as well. You guys know what to do, right? But as for now, we can relax somehow with the ship name for Yoko. Yeah. It seems like Nanstar not going to trademark it. I mean, good for us. I mean, think about it, guys. It would be such shame if they would actually trademark the name Fayoko. Actually, our whole fandom got so freaking worried about the ship name. I mean, it's just not a ship name, Fayoko. It's our emotion. We are so freaking attached to it. I mean, come on. Initially, we can use another, words, another ship name like Fayo. A lot of people said it, Fayo. And other stuff, maybe. We could have figured it out. But Fayoko hits differently. You gotta admit it. Come on. As I said, it was just not a rumor. Our whole fandom started talking about it, and there was some sort of. So, yeah, as for now, it's on hold. I don't think one is going to do that because she saw all the hatred, all the negative reviews, all the negative posts that were bashing Nine Star and her as well. That's why she immediately actually changed her Twitter bio and removed the hashtag Fayoko from her Twitter bio. I mean, we are glad. That's it. And another thing, as I said, Yoko's name is there right now. So you guys know what to do, right? Yeah. Boycott, boycott, and boycott. And guys, my genuine concern and a genuine question. It's been more than 3 months, right? How come the company, how come the agency is still functioning? How come they are still functioning, guys? Can you guys tell me? Because I don't get it. I'm not understanding it actually. I would like someone to make me understand this. How they still function is beyond me. They should be bankrupted by now, right? I mean, it's been more than 3 months without the whole fandom's support. Majority of it, I mean, 90% of the fandom is not engaging with anything that Nine Star is doing. You guys know. And the 10%, the minor group, I always say every fandom has this much actually toxic fan base, toxic haters. And in those 10%, loads of yobis are there, loads of toxic yobis are there, who actually don't want to see Yoko happy, who don't want to see Yoko enjoying her freedom. That's the only explanation for it. Loads of people actually bought the ticket of the fan meet, loads of solo yobis. So it speaks volume. They just don't want to see Yoko happy. That's the only explanation over there. How people can still not boycott Nine Star, how people still can justify Nine Star, I just don't get it. Lots of people are still defending Nine Star, and it's those toxic haters, those 10% of it, the minority. But still, lots of people are doing it. I mean, it's funny, right? How you can claim that you are fan of this artist, but still you are kinda supporting the agency. So basically, you want the opposite of it. That's it. Anyway, we have actually talked about this millions times. Anyway, so you guys know what to do. Boycott, boycott, and boycott. That's it. Don't engage Nine Star. Don't engage with anything that Nine Star is doing. That's for sure. And for now, it's the bottom line. And of course, guys, if I have some news, some update, of course, I'll let you guys know. All right. So, what's your thoughts on this, guys? What's your opinion about the whole video? Let me know in the comment section. All right. So yeah, this was all it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, you know like, comment, share, and do subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon, very soon, with new update, with new video. Till then, take care and keep smiling. I'll definitely see you guys soon. All right, take care, guys. Bye.